Hello guys, welcome to my class. Today we are going to learn how to design a single story building in STAAD Pro. Of course it is steel design, steel single story building using steel material. Okay, so at first open STAAD Pro, click on new project, select space, give name single frame or single story, then click on meter and force unit kilonewton, then click on next. After finished, then select add beam and finish it. Now you have to create a single story building. Okay, for that create a node first. Okay, again press Ctrl and create a node to 4 meter interval. Okay, or 4 meter gap, leave a 4 meter gap, switch off the grid. Now we have to create a 4 nodes or 4 column first. Okay, so these 2 columns, and we have to select the 2 nodes by node cursor, select the 2 nodes, and now copy the node from your keyboard or Ctrl C, or right click on the node and copy, and for paste node in the Z direction 5 meter. Okay, now this is our 4 column. Now we have to give the roof. For that, select the total nodes and copy the node, paste the node in the Y direction 3.3 meter in the Y direction. Okay, so this is our building. Okay, now I have to add beam, join the beams. For that, select the whole nodes, go to geometry, go to create beam along Y axis. Now our columns is created. Now I have to create the beams. Now select the upper nodes and go to geometry, connect beam along X axis and Z axis. Geometry, connect beam axis, Z axis. Now this is our floor, this is the column, this is the beams. Okay, now we have to give them support. For columns, go to front view, select the column base, go to support page, click on create, add the fixed support, select the support, select the nodes where you can give the support, click on assign to selected nodes, assign yes. Now our column has been fixed. Okay, now close it. You have to keep the property. For that, go to property page, go to section database for steel design. Now select Indian for Indian users. I'm going to give I shape for single story building. Give the property this section, or you can decrease it to this section, or let it this section. Okay, you can select any section you want. Okay, then click on add. If this section doesn't pass design, AutoCAD will automatic change to its suitable section. Okay, now we give this property to whole structure. For that, go to assign to view, assign, then yes. Okay, close it. Now I have to give load. For that, go to load page, select load case detail, select add dead load and live load. Okay, now first select load case 1, add the self weight, add the member load minus 6, add close load case detail, member load minus 2, add. Okay, now go to self weight, assign to view for whole structure. Now give for member load, go to front view, select the members beams and select assign to selective beams. Yes. Okay, again select the members and click on assign to selected beams, assign yes. Okay, now we have to analyze it. For that, go to command, analyze, perform analyze, no print. Okay, analyze, run analyze, save. So there is no error, no warning and no notes. Okay, so our analyze it is perfect. So click on done. Now we have to design the frame. For that, go to steel design. At first create an envelope, so select new envelope. Now discard the combination load because there is no combination load. Now select all the load case, then hit OK. Now go to member design, member setup. Okay, now select the beams. Okay, then go to member design, physical member and select the auto form members, and our members are created. Okay, this is for beam. Again select the columns and go to member design, physical member and auto form member. Okay, now go to brief or groups. At first we have to create brief, then group, design group. So for brief, go to new brief, select new brief, select your design code Indian IS 800 and let it 250 or 250,000 kilonewton per meter square, then hit OK. Now go to new design group, then add a group and select 3 member. Okay, then pass it to this side, then hit OK. Now go to result and reports and go to member design, perform group design and check code. Okay, then again go to member design, perform group design and member selection. Okay, so our 3 member is created and it all has been passed. Okay, now again go to briefs and groups. Now go to new design group, again add a group and select 3 member and pass it to here, then hit OK. Then go to result and reports, again go to member design, perform group design, check code. Okay, now see a magic here. This is the member, this is the design. We have just select the check code. Okay, now this member is pass. Okay, see this member, this original section and design section is same. Now when I go to member design, perform group design, go to member design, perform group design and now I have to select member selection step, single step. Now notice in the design section here in the down side Now when I select member selection, now it has been changed. See, now this is economical, this section is economical. Okay, I have given a much bigger section for that section. Okay, now when I select the member selection, and STAAD will automatically select a suitable or economical section for the member. Okay, so now this is the members has been given the proper property, and it will pass, and design for those selected members are completed. Now again go to brief design, add new design group and add a group, and select the rest 2 members, select it. Okay, now go to result and reports, member design, perform group design, check code. Okay, now again these 2 original section and design section is same. The original section is pass. See, original section pass. Now when I go to member design, perform group design and member selection, it is changed to 16. What is 16? This is the thickness of flange. Okay, but since it's 12 meter, 16 thickness of flange, when it is changed to 12, it also passes the following cases. Okay, now you can check the design calculation. Now select any section, any member, and go to member design and view, select the view design calculation, and you can see design member of 5 as per IS 800. This is the member section. Okay, now see the design is here and it is saved. Okay, you can go to the post processing. Okay, you can see the displacement, beam stress, axial force for column and beams, shear on Y. Okay, you can have the reaction, okay. So that's it. Our serial design of single story frame is complete. So this is how you can design a single story building in steel structure. Okay, so if you have any problem, comment on the video. Okay, so thank you for watching my video.